Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. A lot of stuff has been going on. It's been about like what, 15 days. Yeah, we had like a loss in the family. It was like, and then I was getting like these headaches, so ended up going to the eye doctor. So your girl needs glasses, so I went ahead, took care of that. Thank you guys so much for messaging, asking if little buddy and I are okay. And yeah, we're pretty much good, but now have to get back on track now. All right, so that is what I have been up to. So I've been really like catching up with orders and all that stuff like that. So yeah, so that's how that is going. All right, so today what I'm going to be doing, I am pretty much a month ahead in bills. I've already told you guys, and I did a video about that a while ago. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be using this binder for my bills binder going forward, and how to keep myself a month ahead in bills. And I will show you guys exactly the little strategy that I am supposed to be using and utilizing. So I'm going to try this out. All right, so what we have here is we have my income, and then we have the actual income. So this is rollover from the last paycheck. So even I haven't been doing a video, but I have been doing my budget. So, but I just haven't been recording videos of it. So we have sinking funds, and then that is going to be from out of this binder, and I will tell you guys about that later. So I'm going to go ahead and add up my budgeted and actual, and then we are going to work this out together. So we got 1,800 plus 426 plus 118, and we got $2,344. So this is for totals. And then we have 1,851 plus 426 plus 120. All right, so we got $2,397. Yeah, it's been a ride, y'all. All right, so now this binder here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I actually have this calculated. This. All right, so this is how I pretty much have this figured out. All right, so for my WOTA bill, I have a monthly total of the bills that I pay, and y'all, this is like getting super smaller. All right, and then what I did is I took this amount, broke it in half, because I get paid bi-weekly. So this is what I need to put away for each paycheck to save for the next month. And then at the end of the month, I will go ahead and just pay all of these bills, but I've put this money aside so I won't spend it. Now, if I do get paid 3 times a month, I can use this as like the third, how you say it, like third, I don't know how I'm saying it, but if I get paid 3 times a month, so I broke it down in thirds. So 3 divided by 100 will give me $34. So basically I would have to save 3 times a month, $34, and then I'll have to save $84 for electric. So that's how I kind of pretty much brainstorm this out. So that's why I'm like, took me a little bit to figure it out, but I got it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing for that. And these are all of the expenses that I have, which I am like crazy excited about that. Daycare, I am not going to actually do anything with that. I like how I can already pay it on the Brightwheel app, and I'm not going to take the cash out of my account to do that. So I'm just going to keep this going the same way, because Aiden is going to be going to school soon, so I'm not going to have to worry about the $165 going forward. So that will be taken care of. And it is raining cats and dogs outside, y'all. It's raining, and it is for a reason. So that's why your girl has got this hoodie on. Okay. All right, so we are going to be doing cash stuffing today. Also, I'm going to go ahead and stuff just the bills. So that's why you see that this part right here is not done yet, because I wanted to pretty much focus on getting a system down for getting a month ahead. So if you're trying to get a month ahead, how I did mine was I used my 52-week savings challenge. I used that to pay all of the bills for 1 month in the same month that I did pay the bills regularly. And that's how I ended up doing that. So now I have to come up with a way to keep that where I'm a month ahead in bills. And this is what I'm going to actually be doing. All right, so let's go ahead and count our cash. And I do have these back in stock, y'all, the sticky notes, finally. They did come in. So we are going to be stuffing $362. And I am actually going to just put this right here so I can just keep it there, and I might have to lift that there when I add this up. Yeah. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, ooh, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. All right, so we got 362 for that. So we are going to go ahead and put our money in here. Yeah, y'all, this has been, February and March has really been testing me. Really been testing me. And also, guys, in the comments, please let me know. I have some that's still upside down. I bet y'all probably was like, Tina, that bill is upside down. In the comments, if you guys can let me know if you are a month ahead or if you're working towards that goal. All right, so we are going to go ahead and do our envelopes. All right, so first one we have is daycare. Daycare, I've already actually added to, I've already paid that on the Bright Little app. So 0, so that was paid on the 3rd, and we're going to add the balance up in just a second. All right, so next we have insurance, which is Geico. That's car insurance. So as you can see, I'm going to take this out so we can kind of use this for reference. All right, so as you can see right here, it says that it is $171. So we're going to do a third. So that is $58 that we are going to be actually stuffing. So let's go ahead and take $58. 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. All right, and I'm not going to put trackers in this because I'm going to be pulling the money out at the end of the month, and that's just going to be too much. So we're not going to actually do that. So we're doing $58. And then that's 0. And then that is coming out on the 3rd. I don't know why I wrote 03 3rd. I don't know what that is. All right, so I'm going to move my little flowers up here a little bit so we can have some space here. All right, so next we have electric. So electric is going to get $84. So I don't really have to put $84 in here because I already have a little chunk of money in here. So it's just going to pretty much stay in here. So I got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83. All right, so I already got 183 in here, but we're going to take $84. So that'll leave us like about $100 left. So I'm not going to take, I didn't have to put, I didn't have to put anything in that because that money was already there. But as you can see right here for sinking funds, WODA and AEP, that was what I'm taking from the sinking fund. So that's why I put 118, that I already had that. All right, so that's why you didn't see it in my totals. I don't want to be confusing, okay? All right, so next we have alarm. So alarm monthly is $47. I know this came out automatically, but I have to pay my credit card. So basically I'm just going to put the money to the side. I'm just doing this to pretty much to kind of keep it on track and keep it all like not extra. Okay, so we have $47. So third will be $16. And you can do this also, even if you don't have, if you're not at the point of being a month ahead, you can still kind of, you know, kind of brainstorm, engage a little bit just to give yourself a little idea what you're going to be dealing with. So we said for alarm, that'll be $16. So I am actually, I wonder if I should do 20, but I think I'm just going to do 16. All right, so then we're going to do daycare real quick. And then daycare is 03, and that will be on the 10th. Now for the daycare, I do put the actual day on there. I don't pay that early because they're like $165, so I can keep up with it. But for Brinks, we're doing $16, 03, 10, 03, not 10. All right, so we got 10, 15, and then we got $16, so 10, 15, 16. So that way. All right, so next we have a Netflix, and then Netflix, as you can see, easy one, $15.49, $8. So I'm just gonna put $6 for Netflix. All right, so we got 5, 6. All right, so next we have mortgage. All right, so mortgage, we're looking at 500. It's like 498.44. So half of that is 250, and a third of that is 167. 167. That's what I was looking at. A third of that. That's what I was trying to say at the first. A third of that. All right, so 167 is what we're going to be stuffing for that. And that's today. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 20, 40, 60, 160, 65, 66, 67. All right, let me just count one more time to make sure. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. Okay, so 167 is for mortgage. All right, daycare is 165, and that is in this account. So this will be taken out of this, but it'll sit there. So this will be 317. All right, so next we have Xfinity. So Xfinity is internet. So 137, half of that is 68.50, and I probably just round this up to like $69, but a third of that is $46. So we're gonna do 46. All right, 319, 10, 20, 30, all right, 35, 36, 10, 20, 30, 35. I think I got enough ones. Oh. What is that? I'm tripping. All right, so internet. All right, so next we have WODA. Now, WODA is one of those things that I had already been saving for, so I don't need to add any money to that. So that will be 03. Okay, so WODA, we already have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So when it is time to do how much I need to take out, and that'll be easy because I actually have this right here where I can just say like, okay, I need to take out $15.49 for this, or $16, or internet I need to take out $137. So I know exactly what I need to take out with this. Okay, so next we have Discover, which is credit cards, and I did not do my Wells Fargo card. That is credit cards. Oh, no. That's right. Nope. We're good. We're good. All right, take that back. All right, so what I did was I added the amounts that are due for, did I do for Wells Fargo? Let's see. No, Wells Fargo is $80. I'm tripping. All right, Discover is normally, it's $125. So we got $125 plus the $80. And then that's where I got the $205 here. I was kind of baffled myself. Okay. All right, so, and then I just have it broken up. So with the credit cards, I have both of those together. So what I did is I just did half of it, and then I split it with a third. So that's $69 for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and what I have to adjust this here. Okay, so because I don't want to be confusing here for my credit cards, I'm gonna do this. All right, I'm going to do that for credit cards because I don't want to be confusing, because I switched Discover to credit cards because I didn't want to be confusing with that. Or I could have split it up and did it, but I'm not trying to be extra. But I know I just have 2 cards. Now, if you have more than like 2 cards, I would say to put them down individually. I did put it separately, but I was like, let me just do it this way. I have my credit cards all in the same envelope, so I'm going to do it like this. But if you have a lot of credit cards, you might want to do like separate envelopes, okay? All right, so for credit cards, I had to fix that. So credit cards, we were doing $69. All right, and then because like I said, I'm good because I'm a month ahead. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. All right, let's do it like that. Well, we'll do it like that just to make it a little bit more like easier. All right, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69 with the 2. I was like, what is going on? Okay, and then, all right, y'all. Okay, so for internet, I know y'all probably cut. For internet, it's supposed to be $46. So this is where this extra, I was like, where is this extra money? Where did I put it? All right, so I found it. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, found my blooper, y'all. I bet y'all was like, Tina, that is not the right amount. All right, so internet, we're doing $46. Okay, so we figured that out. All right, so then daycare, we got 165, and then 165 for daycare, 0, 0. And then this will be 24 and 31st. I know people ask me, why do I have daycare twice? It's because the month, every Friday we have to pay daycare, so that's why I just put it whenever it comes on. So all of these daycares is a Friday's date, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and add up these figures here. So we got, all right, y'all, so I'm gonna bring baby girl back because we are pretty much finished with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up for my bill binder, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in there. Yeah. All right, so that is for a bill binder, so that is pretty much done. So we are going to add these totals up, and I'm going to set this one to the side. Y'all, I missed my Hello Kitty one. So let's go ahead and add up these totals. So we got 165 plus 58 plus $84, 165, 16, $6, 167, 165, $46, $34, $69, 165, 165. All right, so we got 1,140. All right, so this should be the same as that because there's no different amount. So now what we're going to do is take our actual income and subtract these expenses that we have. Now so what we're going to do is take our total income and we're going to subtract these expenses. So we got $2,397. So minus 165, y'all. Aiden Aiden has not lost a beat, y'all. Missed a beat with the in the background. 174 minus the $84, so 2,090 minus the 165, so 1,925 minus the $16, so 1,909 minus the $6, so 1,903 minus the 167. All right, so 1,736 minus the 165, so 1,571 minus the 46, so 1,525 minus the 34, so 1,491 minus the 69, 1,422 minus the 165, so 1,257 minus the 165. Okay, so we have a total of $1,092 left to play with, and that right there will be what I put for savings, debt, and that's what I'll use for the rest of my paycheck budget. Okay, but I just wanted to, because you see how you can easily get confused, so I wanted to kind of come up with a little system first to figure out how I can easily stay a month ahead and not go back to struggle and then go back to having to be just like the same month, you know, month to month. All right, so this is what I got, guys. So hopefully this helped you kind of figure out how to do your month budget. All right, guys, so if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram, it's called APinkeClothlife. I have not posted anything in a while because, like I said, I haven't done a video. And then also make sure to follow me on my TikTok. It's called APinkeClothlife. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.